Every morning, Indra Nalathambi makes breakfast for her eldest son. She carefully places it in front of his photo. KUGAN ANANTHAN would have been 27 years old, but he died 4 years ago in police custody after being arrested on suspicion of stealing cars. His family say he was murdered.
I start crying every time I see pictures of his body. I can see the scratches. He was tortured. What had he done wrong? Why didn't they just bring him to court, punish him under the law?
4 years later, a similar case. Endamindran died 10 days after he was arrested. His body covered in bruises. His ears and legs had been stapled. Outside police headquarters, protesters staged a mock funeral for him. Police have classified the case as murder and say they're investigating the matter.
There have been more than 150 cases of deaths in police custody between the years 2000 and 2011. And out of that number, only 4 have been subjected to a coroner's inquest.
For years, civil rights groups have called on the government to set up an independent commission to look into complaints against the police. What they got was something much weaker.
The Enforcement Agency Integrity Commission lacks bite, because they do not have power to prosecute and they do not have power to mete out sentence as well.
But the commission came too late for KUGAN ANANTHAN. A court dealt with his case and it did convict one police officer, but on the lesser charge of causing hurt and not murder as his family had hoped. They had also hoped in vain that no one else would die in police custody. Florence Looi, Al Jazeera, Kuala Lumpur.